Hey guys, in this video I want to show you an extension that I've used to stop doom scrolling on Firefox. So essentially, I think I'm not alone in this when I say that we've all probably doom scrolled at some point, and it's honestly not a great feeling. And I personally really hate just being sucked in for hours and just like completely forgetting about stuff and then just realizing time has passed. And this extension really helped me to stop it, so I want to share it with you guys. So first, to get it to the extension, you're going to want to click on the top right extensions and then manage extensions. Then you're going to want to go to the search box and then put block site. You can also get to this page by just going on the search bar in general and putting about, two dots, add-ons. Then inside of here, you should look for this site. It should look like an octagon with www in the middle, and it should be a recommended extension. Make sure that it's also made by Ray. He should have these other extensions, just to ensure that you're on the right place. I'll also leave a link to the blog site extension in the description so it's easier to access. You're going to want to click on Add to Firefox and then Add. Alright, then you're going to want to go to the settings in blog site and then options. Then inside of here, you're going to want to paste where it says block new host name, this. So as you can see, this is the YouTube URL with /shorts at the end of it. Then you're going to want to click add and then scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on save options. Don't forget to save the options since otherwise it won't apply. Now when you try to click on a video, as you can see, it's just going to give you this pop-up, essentially disabling all of the short videos that you would see usually on the bottom, which is going to be really useful since if you can't see the video, then you won't doom scroll. But however, let's say that you do want to watch at least one of the videos. For example, this one here looks really interesting, but I don't want to be doom scrolling. I just want to watch that video. This extension has you covered. So you're going to want to go to the top right and then ensure that you have the extension here marked with the bookmark. So as you can see, it's pinned on the toolbar. Then you can right click the extension and then click on pause blocking, and you can set for how long you want it to pause. I suggest doing 5 minutes, but you can also go to the settings as I showed you earlier and then customize the amount of time you want it to have. So you can even make it 1 minute if you choose to be that long. So then you can click on 5 minutes for instance, and then click on the video and you'll be able to watch it without any problems. What you can also do is add passwords to websites if you're interested in doing that, or many other features. So this is a great extension and I suggest you can check it out, and hopefully it helps you if you have a little bit of an issue with doom scrolling. Anyways, I hope this video helps you out, and yeah, see ya.